Marvel app. The pros, the cons. If you're a Marvel fan, the Marvel app promises to be your ultimate source for comics, news, and exclusive content, but is it all it's cracked up to be? One of the biggest pros is content access. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a digital comic reader. In reality, the app offers a huge library of comics, character bios, interactive timelines, and even videos from the Marvel Universe. You can follow your favorite heroes and stay updated on new releases. Another advantage is personalization. The app lets you create collections, bookmark issues, and receive notifications for new comics or shows that match your interests. It also includes community features such as fan discussions and curated recommendations, making it easy to explore new series. However, there are cons. Some users report that the free content is limited, and many comics require in-app purchases or subscriptions. Performance issues like slow loading or occasional crashes can occur, especially on older devices. Additionally, offline reading is limited unless you download content in advance. In conclusion, the Marvel app is a must-have for fans who want centralized access to comics, news, and interactive content. The surprising truth is that while it's entertaining and feature-rich, you may need to invest in subscriptions to unlock the full experience. For true Marvel enthusiasts seeking a convenient hub for everything from comics to updates on the cinematic universe, the Marvel app delivers, but casual fans might find the paid features limiting.